Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I will be sharing the recipe for all-time favorite Russian salad or pasta salad. Quickly now let's get started. I have taken carrot, beans, corn and peas, each 1 cup, and added 1 cup of water and boiled it for 1 steam. On the other side, I have taken 2 heaped tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 cup of cream, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Nicely give it a good mix and mix until it forms a nice sauce-like consistency. Now after the sauce is prepared, we will be adding boiled veggies. Those boiled veggies should be completely cooled down. So prepare these veggies ahead of time and let it cool completely. Followed by I am adding apples and pineapples. 2 fruits I have taken. Other than that, you can also add grapes and pomegranate. Lastly, I will be adding 2 cups of boiled pasta. This pasta is optional. If you add pasta, you can also call it pasta salad. Otherwise, only veggies and fruits means you can just call it out as Russian salad. In this salad, you can also add olives, either green or black olives. That also will be very nice. If you feel the salad is dry, same mix, you again prepare the extra sauce and mix it. That will be fine. Nothing will go wrong. This pasta salad or Russian salad can always be prepared ahead of time and keep. If you have party next day, previous day night itself, you can prepare it and keep. Always you can store these kind of salads in nice airtight containers of this kind and serve it chill. For the salad to look very appealing, you can always layer some lettuce like how I have done. Those lettuce are also going to be edible at the end. It can also be eaten, so nothing will be wasted. These kind of creamy salads will always make your any party very special and rich. Hope you all like this video. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Bye bye.